8-foot built-in hose with DEWALT's airlock system for Flexvolt batteries. Flipping it to the right activates the wireless tool control button. Tool control can be mounted on a user's wrist as shown for vacuuming operations. 125 CFM provides OSHA Table 1 compliant solutions. Any debris that has been collected to be emptied. Even if the filter is covered with dust, the automatic filter cleaning system will maintain maximum performance and continue to function. You can use the paper, fleece, or plastic liners to line the tabs on the bag. It is compatible with DEWALT's Tstak system.